6 ways to make money online in 2021. Now you might be wondering, why would I even be talking about 2021 when it's 4 months away? Well, there's 2 reasons. Number one is 4 months will come up very, very quickly, and we'll be in the year 2021 faster than you think. And then you'll think to yourself, wow, 2020 went very, very quickly and I'm still not making money online. The second reason why is because these methods to make money online are growing extremely fast, and they're going to be very big in 2021. So you can actually get yourself prepared right now and start doing these and learning these. And you can get onto these methods that are going to be massive in 2021. So it just makes sense to do a video on this right now to help you out if you're looking to make some money online or earn some cash, or maybe you're looking to do a side hustle or whatever you're trying to do. I think these are going to be a great way to earn some income next year. Now, these methods, I personally know people who are doing over $200 per day doing these. I actually use some of these people myself in my own team and my business, and I know that these can make over $100, $200, $300 per day online if you learn these skills and you implement them online. But you can definitely make some good money per day, or if you want to, you can just do this as a side hustle. So let's jump into these 6 methods to make money in 2020. But before we do that, make sure you hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and tap that notification bell so you know when my next video comes out. And if you're here for the giveaway, I'll put the winners up on the screen from the last video that we did the competition on. And if you want to know how you can actually get access to one of my courses or some cash, you've simply got to find the emoji in this video, smash that like button, then comment below emoji plus course or emoji plus cash, and you could win access to one of my courses or some cash. It's just a little thing we do on this channel to help you guys out. So let's get into these 6 things to help you make some income online next year. So number one is something that's becoming really, really big, and it's because a lot of people are shifting their retail stores and businesses online, and they need what we call an e-commerce store. For example, if you've heard of Shopify, their stock price has absolutely skyrocketed because there's millions of people moving online and starting online e-commerce stores, and they need a platform to actually use so they can run their e-commerce store. And one of the most popular ones, well, the most popular one is Shopify. Now, what you can do is you can actually learn a skill to create Shopify stores, edit Shopify stores, design Shopify stores, or let's say e-commerce stores because you can use other platforms, but you can essentially go and list a service on a website like Upwork.com or Fiverr.com, and people will actually pay you to create stores, design stores, do store maintenance, add images to stores, and all sorts of other things related to e-commerce stores. Now, the reason this is a really good way to make money is because this is really only just the beginning. Because as all these people make a shift online because of what's happening in the world right now, they're going to see the potential of having an online store, so they're going to keep their online store. And it's just going to grow bigger and bigger and bigger. The online e-commerce space was already growing at a massive rate, but now it's just accelerated because of what's happening in the world. So there's lots of cash to be made by going out and creating stores for people, maintaining their stores, and generally just doing store design. Now, number 2 is one of my favorites, and you can make some really good money with this one. I know a guy that's making over $8,000 per client. Now, you will need to have quite a bit of skill in doing this. It will take you quite a long time to learn this, and to be honest, you should already have some knowledge in this anyway, or be an expert in this space. This is not good if you're a complete beginner, but this is called an online business consultant. Now, if we go back to the last one about how people want to get e-commerce stores built, there's actually a lot of people who are trying to transition from offline to online, and they have no idea how to do it. They don't know how to do marketing, advertising. They don't know how to create the stores. They don't know how to literally do anything online, and they want help to do it. It could be creating social media pages. It could be doing products, adding products to stores. It could be doing emails and admin type stuff. They don't know how to do that. So you could go to a website like Upwork again, which is a freelancing website, and you can list yourself as an online business consultant, and you can give people consulting tips or even do a lot of stuff for them just because they can't do it. You can go and charge for advice because people literally don't know how to get started online. I get people ask me for advice every single day, and they're willing to charge me. Now, I don't do any of that type of consulting stuff because I don't have time, but it is a very good way to go and make some money if you have a knowledge in business and online business, because obviously you have to be actually an expert in doing that. But online business consultant is a very good way to earn some cash online, and it's going up as well because there's a lot of people moving online from their small businesses offline. Now this one is one of my favorites, and I literally know people who are charging $20,000, $30,000, $40,000, $50,000, even $100,000 for doing this. And this has been a funnel builder. A funnel is a sequence of events that people get taken through. So for example, you might have been to those pages before where you have to put in an email. Usually someone will give you something for free. You put in your email and you keep getting sent emails and offers and stuff like that. That's called a funnel. Or maybe you purchase a product online for $50 and then you get an upsell for $10 and then you get another upsell or a downsell for another product, and you keep getting products put in front of your face for you to purchase. This is called a funnel. The more complex the funnel is, the more you can make. But I literally know people charging thousands, even hundreds and thousands of dollars for funnels. So there is very good money to be made in being a funnel builder. Now it's very simple to learn how to create funnels. You can use a platform called ClickFunnels where you can literally create funnels. They've got templates and everything like that. I'll also leave some videos below showing you exactly how you can create funnels. You can also go online and find tutorials on that. Now, the best thing about this is it's really simple to learn. You can learn how to create funnels in like a week. It's so easy. Go to YouTube. There's videos all over the place on how to do that. You can also go and list your services on Upwork.com or Fiverr.com. Now, Fiverr.com, you're not going to really find any high-end clients. Upwork.com, you'll find some medium to high-end clients. But if you want high-end clients that pay you thousands and thousands of dollars, you need to go and do advertising to advertise your funnel building business. But that's more when you become an expert in doing this. But that's how you make the big bucks. Now, being a funnel builder is good because once again, a lot of people are coming online, bringing their businesses online, and they need funnels to promote their products. Or some of them need funnels, some of them need stores, but they need someone to do it for them. Now, let's say you don't want to do any of those because you don't know how to do them, you don't want to do them. That's completely fine. I would recommend if you're a complete beginner and you have some sort of knowledge on something, start a YouTube channel. YouTube is the second biggest search engine online. One of the best things about YouTube is you can get multiple traffic sources. You can get search traffic, suggested, browse, and channel views, and lots of other ways to get traffic. You can actually utilize this by putting out videos on something that you know. There's literally a niche for anybody. So I would recommend going and creating a YouTube on the side. Don't make it your full-time job unless you actually start to make good money. But YouTube is really at the beginning. I think it's going to explode even bigger than it is now. And more people are advertising on YouTube. This channel, for example, makes over $10,000 per month. And it's really not a big channel when you compare it to other channels online that have millions of subscribers. Now, that's not to say that you will make that much with low subscribers. It really depends on the niche that you're in, and it depends on how many people are advertising on your channel. But more and more advertisers and companies are seeing YouTube as a way to put their products in front of people via advertising. So the ad revenue on YouTube is going up and creators are making a lot more money than what they did 3, 4, 5 years ago. So go and start a YouTube channel, and it will take a while to build up, but after it kind of works in levels. Like after you hit 5,000 subscribers, you get more traction, 10,000 more traction, 50,000 more traction. When you hit 100,000, you get a lot of traction. So it's slow at the start, but go and build a YouTube channel on something that you're interested in or you're good at. It could be fishing, tennis, making money online, creating websites. Do a channel on something you enjoy and it's much more fun. And then you do it because you love it, and then the money becomes a bonus, and the money could potentially become a full-time job for you. Now, the next one is something that makes a lot of people a lot of money. You will have to have some knowledge in something again, but that's creating an online course. Now, there's two ways you can do this. You can actually create your own course and you can sell it yourself. The problem with that is you need to go and create funnels. You need to know advertising, or you need to get some YouTube traffic or some traffic from somewhere. Or you can actually create a course and you can upload it to two websites that are my favorite. Udemy.com, we can actually upload courses and courses on anything, and Udemy sends you the customers via their algorithm. Or you can actually upload your courses to Skillshare, I think it is. On Skillshare, you get paid per minute watch. So basically, you get paid for all the minutes that people watch of your video. So they don't buy the course, they watch it for free as far as I know. They have some sort of membership, and then you get paid per minutes that are watched, right? And you can actually make really, really good money on Skillshare. I've used both platforms. They both make good money. I actually find Skillshare is a little bit better because there's a lot more people on there looking for courses to watch. But you can make really, really good money creating a course. All you need to actually do is go to Udemy or Skillshare, or if you want to actually create your own course and you want to promote it yourself and get your own traffic, you can use something like ClickFunnels to create your course, or something like Teachables to create your course. And they have everything set up. You can simply go and upload your videos. They have a checkout and everything like that. Once somebody pays, they get sent access to the course. Now, the info industry is blowing up. It's going to be growing massively through 2021. It's really big now, but it's going to be even more bigger next year. Now, the next one is something that I don't really have too much experience myself because I just can't be bothered, but I do know a lot of people that do this and they make a lot of money, even millions of dollars. And this is publishing a book. Now, the information space is massive. People are consuming a lot of content and information right now. If you have a story to tell, if you have some sort of like information you want to get out, there has been no better time to do that because you can list your book on Amazon.com. There's plenty of other sites you can list it on. You can do advertising to sell your book. You can literally advertise your book anywhere online. And it's quite easy to do now because the algorithms have so many people looking for books, right? So Amazon is, I don't really know much about selling books online because like I said, I don't have any experience in that. But a friend of mine, he makes something like $5,000 per month in book sales just from Amazon. And Amazon is the biggest e-commerce platform online. Millions of people are buying off Amazon every single day. So it's kind of like the Udemy and course thing. You put your product up and Amazon does all the work for you. They sell your product for you by people finding it on the Amazon website. So I think publishing a book is another great way to make money online next year. However, you will have to have some knowledge again, but you can also actually pay people to do the publishing for you. And you can even pay people to write your complete story for you if you want. You can go to Fiverr or Upwork and they will do it for you. Now, one of my favorite ways to make money online today, and it's going to be working forever, is affiliate marketing. That's one of my ways to make money online. Now, if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, I'll leave some free videos up on the screen that will take you through step by step how to start your own affiliate marketing business, or you can click my training in the description that will take you through exactly how you can do it as well. Don't forget to subscribe, tap that notification bell, smash that like button, and I'll see you on one of the videos on the right.